Hey, hello, dear friends. Good evening. Such a beautiful, beautiful evening. And today I got this in the mail. It's a surprise. This is a winner unboxing, and it's a gift from a friend. I do not know what it is, and suspicion. More interesting. Okay. Oh. 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 A gift for you. I have thoroughly enjoyed listening to the Greek mythology stories you have been reading, so I figure you might like this. Oh, this is wow! Whoa! Oh, I cannot read this. And so it's encouraging to learn about Greek alphabet. Alpha, beta, C is sigma, delta, epsilon. Wow, this is such a beautiful book. Look at it. Wow. The gods, hero, and monsters of ancient Greece. October 1st, 1826. Wow. Oh my goodness. Wow. Oh wow. The Olympians and the world. The creation of the gods. Yes. So the three generations and further on the titans, the gods, the chaos. Wow. Whoa. Oh, all these, see these pictures. They are fantastic pictures. Wow. Oedipus et de Sphina. Spismon. Whoa. Golden fleece. Is this the golden fleece, Jason and the Argonauts? Calydon, the Bora of Calydon. Beast, golden fleece. Age of man, God. Oh, how interesting. Pandora's Pandora's box. Wow. Oh, wow. This is so cool. Whoa. This is so cool. And I think you can, yes, you can do. Whoa. And this must be able to open. No. Yes, it's openable. Oh. oak leaves. Uh-oh. Wow, this is real leaves, no? Oh, this is paper cut oak leaves. Looks like that. I can put some real leaf. I can do some leaf painting. Look at this picture. Oh, this is so good. Wow. Zeus. Poseidon and Amphitrite. Amphitrite or Amphitrite. Ooh. Obols. This is the coin of Zeus, no? Yes, Zeus coin. The coin of Zeus. And I have a coin of Zeus. This is gold fur. Wow, this is quite amazing, this book. The gold pen, the god pen. Knowledge card. Let's see what inside of the gods of knowledge cards. Wow, Zeus. Daily Dabdarus. Daily Dabdarus. Episode from the myths of Hermes and Apollo. Hermes, Apollo. Ruin of, wow. Oh, these two sheets bind together. Top elevation plan. Whoa. That's an amazing book. The Troy. And this one, the 宝贝儿，你可以关一下门吗？谢谢你。The whoa. The home of you can write on this. This is envelope, letter, paper. Lord Byron. Whoa. The father of Lovelace. Ada Lovelace. Oh, that's the end. Oh, thank you. This is beautiful. O muses who sing of a world long gone, of mighty heroes, Olympian gods, of terrible monsters and fabulous beasts, help me to tell of these wonderful things, for I have come to the land of Greece to speak of her myth and her mystery. Lady Astia Evans Assen, 1825. This book is the property of John Orro. Gold. I have come to Greece too, to to find out if any of the power of the gods remains. Oh, wow. It's quite amazing. Beautiful book. Thank you very, very, very much. This is really special. One of the nights it will be read. This must be Medusa. Yeah, Perseus fighting Medusa. Okay, bye bye, 夫人，滋滋滋滋滋滋滋，拜拜。